So today I'm going to show you how to build a kunai knife. This was published on Printables. If you want to build one yourself, the link will be in the description down below. You'll need 7 parts: the blade, the middle part, the handle, the ring, and 2 pins. You can also print a stand too if you want to put this on a desk or shelf. Alright, now let's put this together. So first we start with the stand, then the blade. Insert a pin into the blade and slide the middle ring on top. Next is the handle. Make sure you look at both ends to find the shallow end. You can use the other pin to see which end is the shallow end. Slide the shallow end onto the blade. Then insert a pin into the handle. Last is the ring. I would recommend using some glue just to make sure it all stays together. Now it's complete. This is an awesome looking knife. The level of detail that went to it is pretty cool. I like the customizable part. It lets you add a personal touch to it. I made a few changes myself and I think they came out pretty well. Well, if you made it to the end of this video, thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more build videos.